Keyboard shortcuts. Revit, as many other programs, have keyboard shortcuts. So if you are an advanced user of Revit, you might be bored with selecting every command by choosing tool from the ribbon and might use keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts in Revit are defined in every command of the ribbon. So when you move your cursor to the tool window in parentheses, you can see WN, what it means that this is the keyboard shortcuts for window. WA in command wall. But what is very important in Revit that you do not use enter or spacebar to confirm your shortcut. Spacebar do nothing in Revit. The enter to repeat the last command. So it will delete your actual command and will set the last command. So for example, to show it, I will choose WA from the keyboard and I can draw wall. Now I will set WN to place a window, and if I press enter, once again I am going to drawing wall again. So please remember about this. This is very important. Do not press enter for any confirmation of your shortcut. So to check every tool and see what is parentheses set to see the keyboard shortcut. Both to see all your keyboard shortcuts, you have to go to the ribbon tab view, user interface, show the drop list by clicking on it, and here below you have keyboard shortcut. And as you can see in parentheses, the keyboard shortcuts for keyboard shortcuts is KS. Keyboard shortcuts is quite hidden in the ribbon, so my advice is to write it down, KS, to remember this one keyboard. So I will press KS without any confirmation with enter or spacebar, and I am going to context window of my keyboard shortcut. As you can see here, you can search any command. So for example, I will set window and I have window shortcut WN. And if you would like to add any keyboard shortcut, you have to click on it and then press new key. So for example, you can add here WW, assign, and you can even have 2 or even more keyboard shortcuts just for window, or simply click on the WN and remove it from the list. I will cancel my keyboard shortcut. Revit show me that you have made changes to shortcut assignment that have not been saved. What do you want to do? Save changes, discard all changes. I will discard all changes, not to save it, just to have the same list of the keyboard shortcuts as you have on your program. So once again, I will press KS, I will search for window WN, and as you can see, nothing changed here. So I will remove window from search, and by using zip or scroll, I will see all the list of all the comments in Revit which have assignment or not have assignment, or you can simply go to filter, and here we have all defined. What it means that this is every tool which have defined shortcut, and the same with all not defined. So here you can find all the tools which doesn't have defined keyboard shortcut, or all reserved. What it means that this is a system keyboard shortcut. They cannot be changed. They cannot be used by you for any other command. And to finish our subject about keyboard shortcuts, when you provide your new keyboard shortcuts or remove some, you can export your keyboard shortcut list to the XML file. And if you will start work on second computer, or even if Revit program will fail on your computer and you would have to install it once again, then you can import them from the XML file, the location you have saved it, and continue working in Revit without any loss. So I will cancel it. So this might be it for keyboard shortcut. So for the record is that keyboard shortcut are under keyboard shortcut KS. And when you use your keyboard shortcut, you don't have to confirm your command with enter or a spacebar. Thank you for your attention.